wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come a shot a selector boy.
Boom! What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know, it's boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another one, another banger. You see me, I say today we got the law boss himself. You don't know where I talk about. You see me, Mr. King of Depression music. You know what I'm saying? But dog, switch over flow. You know what I'm saying? No shade to Chronicler at all. You see me, without the law boss, Chronicler himself. You see me, the one named Rules of Life. I've been at this one on my list to react to for a couple of weeks now. Don't know why I haven't gotten around it. Been busy with all the videos, but we're gonna check it out and see what dog are deal with. Yeah, man, La Boss. You see me, one of the best artists. One of the best artists out right now, and you know, he's in the veteran years. You know what I'm saying? La Boss past new artists, past more years. He's in his veteran years right now. You see me? La Boss are about 5 years plus now. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, La Boss, they had another new tune. And I'm surprised he didn't get any nominations at the CMAs this year. But you don't know. Next year, they just starting it. So next year going to be better. So hopefully, we'll see La Boss on the list. But in there with Rules of Life, I want to check it out and see what dog got deal with. You don't know, Chronicler, one of the most lyrical, one of the dopest, most deepest. You see me? Dog, one of the best artists out. So you don't know. Yeah, man, the man very talented. So the one should be a dope track. You know what I'm saying? And from its own, it sound like a lesson type, you know, deep looking in type track, you know what I'm saying? So I see what dog I deal with. Today we don't have to hold up the vibes much longer. Let's jump right in this Chronicler Rules of Life.
I like it. Miss them I get you up, me not smiling. Always get close with try styling. We don't that video. Stop put the Benz in a snap video. Won't kill you and I act like them glad for your man, you know.
That's a fact. You see me, they weren't joking and smile with them. You see me, that's why small and don't know dog. You see me, act like them glad for you, but they want take your 3 pints out here, real talk, let's get it.
That's why darkness continue. Crazy, don't make X your status. People will see progress and stop you. Don't friend a nigga when you cash up. Remember nobody know that when you mash up. Crazy, I just the rules of life. I saw them treat you when you act nice.
Man said, don't post on your status. You see me, they when see you and want to make progress and want to stop you. You see me, don't, you know, friend, when you ain't cash, cause they, yeah, hey, when I say that,
from me, dirt, my 2 o'clock rise. And I'm a run down for you, me not choose that life, I just gotta live. Can't make them know too much. Spy them a spy when them a say them a pull up. Me heart empty, the Benz tongue full up. Yeah, me do a lot of things, but me never yet do love. Me know
I mean, they know too much. I spy them and spy when they must say I pull up, you know. You see me?
Ratings again you have. Any link you have, playing with the friend you have. Girl, when you bench me, I wait for my trend. But me change up a chip by down, make X your status. People will see progress and stop you. Don't friend a nigga when you cash up. Remember nobody know that when you mash up.
That's a fact, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Say, don't friend a nigga when you cash up. You see me, man? Nobody need there when you mash up, you know. You see me, so they when they mash up days, you know, where them are coming off. Must because you see me. Yeah.
Crazy, I just the rules of life. I saw them treat you when you act nice. I from me a dirt, my 2 o'clock rise. And them a run down for you, me not choose that life, I just gotta live. Don't hide the glory, but you can't show everybody. The eyes tricky, you not go see the ready night.
That's a fact, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's tricky. You don't go see ready now, everybody, dog.
The dark room now, seat now, bed night. Never get when me I give. And me humble your fuck, me no boast with when me achieve. Me puff you wait slow when me a speed. Not tell nobody nothing when you a do it. Don't make X your status.
Yeah, man, sometimes I make some blow moves on silent, man. People don't say, yo, I make some moves and start bad mind thing, put bad energy towards a thing. That's a fact, man.
People will see progress and stop you. Don't friend a nigga when you cash up. Remember nobody know that when you mash up. Crazy, I just the rules of life. I saw them treat you when you act nice. I from me a dirt, my 2 o'clock rise. And them a run down.
Yeah, man, Rules of Life, your song a bad, man. Shout out to Chronicler. That's why, yeah, man, the one I do numbers, man.
Fear me not choose that life, I just gotta live. Life private. So me like it. Me see them I get you up, me not smiling. Always get close for try styling. We don't that video. Stop put the Benz in a snap video. Won't kill you and I act like them glad for you.
That's a fact, man. Yeah, man, say. Come in, man. Listen to your law boss, man. Come on.
Up with you, 1 kilo, and I act like them glad for your man to know. That's why darkness continue. Crazy, don't make X see your status. People will see progress and stop you. Don't friend a nigga when you cash up. Remember nobody not dead when you mash up. Crazy.
So dog come room to dog thing up here now. In that video, it's a dog come room dog be man thing sit down in the front seat touch Charlie man.
That's the rules of life. I saw them treat you when you act nice. I from me a dirt, my 2 o'clock rise. And them a run down for you, me not choose that life. I just gotta live.
I mean that mafia just gotta lead. You see me I say? Let's do a thing and go through, man. That's how it's funny.
Gotta live.
Watch out. Hey man, don't friend a nigga when I cash up. Nobody never net when a man shop.
Reban will shoot China, boy.
Yeah man, shout out to Lava Chronicler dog, I do him thing, you know what I'm saying? That was a vibe, gang. What y'all think about that one? You see me? Yeah man, real dope track, rules of life. So I'm really thinking dog talk, man, you know what I'm saying? And everything you put up on your status. You see me I say? People will see your progress and want to stop you. You see me I say? Yeah man, people just some people just stay like that, they just bad man. See I make a little progress, dog, and just start eat for anything, they don't know. Oh yeah I do. Make a little progress, I do yeah. You know what I'm saying? Real shit, man. Don't friend people that cash up, brother. Cause you know when they mash up, when they mash up. You see me, I know you have a little cash and they come on. What do you think they come on for? The cash, you see me, then see you feel me? They see you eating and wanna come eat too, you know what I'm saying? And then they did it for you, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man. Anybody genuine, them I did it when they up or down, you know what I'm saying? I real shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah man, rules of life. Chronicler. Real dope track, gang. Let me know what you think about that one. Drop your comments in the comment section. Go show the law boss some love and support if you like the one day. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man. Real banger tune. Make sure you join the Discord. No, Discord link is in the description. Join. Become part of the family. Become part of the gang. You can talk to me directly. Message me directly. Send me videos. Request music. Also, you get previews to be notified as soon as I drop videos. All of that. We'll it over there. So side 2 come become part of the gang, man. You already know what time it is, bro. We taking it to the top. I don't know. We're not stop till reach 1 million or 100 million. I don't know. I wrote 10k, wrote 100k, wrote 100 million. I don't know. Boy Jambisco. Yeah man, gang. I was here when I hit another smash, another banger. And the banger is gonna keep on coming and coming and coming. They ain't gonna never stop. Yeah man. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.